Hello, and welcome to this episode of Command Line Basics for Linux. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the use of the find command. The find command allows you to search for a specific string of characters using the command line interface. It's a highly practical tool as it's not limited to file names. You can use it to search a specific location, add options to control the behavior of the search, and use additional commands to tell it how to manage the data it finds. Prior to executing the command, let's review the help reference. To do so, we type in find dash dash help. And here you see it provides the name of the command, brief description of the command, and any options or modifiers available to execute with the command. So in our first example, let's find the contents of the documents directory. And we do that by typing in find documents. And here you can see it lists the contents of the documents directory. So what if we wanted to find the location of locate? Well, we could type in find dash name locate, and it returns the path to locate directory. So let's take a look at finding a file. Well, for some reason we can remember the name of the file, but we just can't remember the location of the file. So we can type in find dash name example one.txt, and it returns the location of the example text document, which is documents locate subfolder example one.txt. So in the next example, we want to find all files that contain example. To do so, we type in file, find, dash name, example, star dot text. And here you can see it returns example one and example three, and it's located in the documents directory, subdirectory locate. However, we're missing one. We're missing example two. And why is that? That's because when using the find command, it's case sensitive. So to make it case insensitive, we need to use find dash iname example text. And there it returns all three files example, capital and non-capitalized. Now we can search for files by extension. To do so, we type in find dash iname star, and let's search for all text files. And here you can see it returns all the text files that belong to the user Rob. For the next example, we want to search for files based on permission. To do so, we type in find PRM and let's go 755 and it returns all the files with permission 755. But we're looking for a specific file. So we can change directory, documents, and perform the same search, and it'll return that the file example .2 has the permission 755. And we can verify that by listing the contents of the locate directory. And you can see we have read, write, and execute for the owner, read and execute for the group, and read and execute for all others. In the final example, we can search with elevated privileges for files that are contained in another user's directory. So I have another user on this computer, Robos, and I'm curious what files are stored on his home directory. So we type in sudo find home user Robos and the documents directory. And you can see he has 3 files, new, 1, 2, and 3. And that, my friends, is all there is to the find command in Linux. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.